Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make these fabric covered buttons. For this you need to use this blank button I've got here. This is 2 centimeters in diameter. Here's the back. And to start with, I'm going to cut a 4 by 4 centimeter piece of material. So about 4 by 4, and then I'm going to cut off all the corners to give myself an octagon. I'm now going to make the button. I need to use this button cutter, cost between $20 and $30. And first of all, I'm going to take this piece and place this piece in it. Then I can take my piece of material. I need to turn it over and place it on there. Then I'm going to take this piece and place it on top of here. And to push it into the button cutter, I've got this piece of wood that I'm just going to push so that it's in. Now I'm going to take the next bit, which is this bit here, and this has to make sure that the material goes on the inside. And I'm just going to push it into place and turn it round a little bit, make sure it's in tightly. Now for the back of the button. This is the back of the button, and I'm going to place it on top. And now for the lid, this is going on, and I'm going to squash it down and make sure it's all in firmly. And now to take a wooden board and place the button cutter on top, and I need a hammer, and I'm going to hit it really hard. I'm going to push the wood on one side. I'm going to take my piece of wood that I used to put the button in with, place underneath, and I'm going to push the button out. And here is a finished button.